are 3D printing the Predator's hands. This is the left hand. It's coming out good, guys. So, Elegoo 3D Max, best printer, best purchase. It was only $400. Awesome. Best thing I ever bought in my whole life. Show you a couple of my prints. This one came out pretty good. There's a couple of details, a few things in the back, but came out great. Wolfram, it need a little bit of work, some sanding, maybe some sanding on it, some detail, but it came out good. See, I kind of got individual hairs there. Yep, this is nice. One of the Likings from the Underworld. That was a good print. This printer is amazing. Got all these pieces over here. This is, no, that's Logan, baby. Logan. It's got different heads. This is Deadpool versus Wolverine. It's Logan again. It's the second head. Actually, this one came out better, so I did it twice. Fill that in up there. You'll be fine. That'd probably take 10 minutes to do. This is Logan versus Deadpool. It's another print piece. And this is the Fox Tour sign. I never finished this one. But this is an awesome printer. So right now, that's the Predator's hand being printed out. We're gonna come back later, get another shot on it, speed the video up. That's his left hand. That's actually in PLA, Flex PLA. It works out good, guys. I'm in the mask.
Yep. And it's coming out great. It's like halfway done. Looking good. Predator hands, guys. Woo! Can't wait. 11 inches tall. Your button. It's going to be on the edges, but we can cut that out with some scissors. Looking good. Didn't even need much support. It support the little gum part there. Almost finished. Great. Nice. Yep. Almost finished. I can't wait. Great.